What's going on YouTube? You're watching Exquisite MAD. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to hit that bell. We're looking at a Robertson 44 helicopter. It underwent wet sanding, compounding, polishing, and then finally it was topped off with Swiss Wax wax imported from Switzerland. It was hand massaged into the paint. See, the finished product is quite exquisite. To schedule your aircraft for a detail, please contact us at exquisitemad.com or 800-292-2341. It's 800-292-2341.